In a small town named Harmonyville, nestled between rolling hills and towering oak trees, lived a curious young boy named Timmy. One sunny afternoon, as he was playing by himself in his backyard, he discovered an unusual object. It was a top, but not just any top. This top was unlike anything he had ever seen before. Timmy picked up the top, awestruck by its intricate design and vibrant colors. As he began to spin it, something extraordinary happened. The top didn't just spin on the ground. It started to float in the air, spinning and twirling in all directions. Timmy's eyes widened with amazement. He watched as the top danced around, performing tricks he had never seen a top do before. He tried to touch it, but it was as if it was made of air. Intrigued, Timmy decided to follow the top. It led him through the town, over the river, and into the forest. Along the way, he encountered various animals and people, all of whom seemed to know something about the mysterious top. A wise old owl told him, "The top is a symbol of curiosity and persistence. Spin it, and it will lead you to new adventures and knowledge." A mischievous squirrel added, "But beware, for the top can also lead you into trouble if you're not careful." A kind old woman in a quaint little house explained, "The top represents the earth and the ball represents the sun. When they work together, they create a harmonious balance." Timmy listened to their words, his mind buzzing with excitement and curiosity. He realized that the top wasn't just a toy, it was a symbol, a guide, and a teacher. From that day forward, Timmy approached every problem with a newfound curiosity and persistence. He learned to spin the top, not just for fun, but as a symbol of his determination to explore the world and learn from it. And so, the mysterious top and ball continued their journey, leading Timmy and many others on adventures filled with knowledge, friendship, and self-discovery. The end.